أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today is 19th Ramadan, it's Jummah. It's 1432. It's the Hijri year. And I just wanted to share with you something that I believe is I did not get quite right throughout my life. And it is only now that I feel that I am beginning to understand it the way I have never understood it before. And I wish that may Allah Ta'ala allow me to share it with you in a way that is beneficial to me also and to you also. Inshallah. For 47 years of my life, I knew where the treasure was of life, the ultimate reality, the treasure of it, where it was sitting. I knew it in my heart, but I never got to dig at it. I knew that Quran and Sunnah is the source of arriving at the correct understanding of the universe. But I was terribly distracted by the Aduwan Mubin, the open enemy, terribly distracted, and I never got to digging it enough. Never got to dig at this spot where the treasure lied enough to get to the treasure. It is only recently, with Alhamdulillah, with the complete mercy of Allah Ta'ala, that I committed to digging deeper into it. And I have arrived at a point where I feel I must share it with everybody. That wallahi, I feel so regret that I did not connect it to Quran squarely earlier. That it is only now that I am beginning to connect to it and seeing it. Wallahi, what are out of this world? It is Allah speaking to us. Will we not hear? Will we not pay attention? It is Allah, the Creator, is talking to us. Preserved. Absolutely not a single letter is distorted. Clear. Allah is talking. And I will not pay attention to it. I have wronged myself. That is why I was lost. That I did not connect to Quran on a deeper level. Please make dua for me and for yourself and all the other people also, that may Allah Ta'ala have mercy on us and open our hearts to Quran. With that we start investing in it. बस सब कुछ छोड़ के नहीं समझ आएगा, आप लगे रहे. And for God's sake, if Quran is not, if Arabic is not your tongue, then read in translation. Read in Arabic with translation, understanding. You cannot recite Quran without understanding. I cannot, then it is pointless. Astaghfirullah al-Azim, if I am saying something wrong, may Allah Ta'ala guide me. Don't mind my words. Try to get the point that I am making. It is like a person thirsty dying for water in desert, and the person has a source, endless source of water in front of it, and the person refuses to drink it, rather he says, I'll just shower with it. And he takes a bath with it. He's reciting in Arabic. He does not understand what is being said, but he recites for the love of Allah. He's taking shower and bath in that pure water, but he's not drinking. I need to drink. We have to understand Quran is something for understanding. That is what Quran is constantly saying. You have to understand. Don't you get it? Quran is saying, get it, get the point. It's waking up. It is a good news, and it's a glad tiding, and it's a warning. We have to listen to it. We cannot just leave it to the Arabic thing if we do not understand Arabic. I mean, Allah Ta'ala will bless those who do that out of their sweet love. May Allah Ta'ala bless him, but that is not the required. That is not the justice. That's not the haqq of Quran. We have to understand to it. Allahu Akbar. Ya Rab, I am late in connecting to you. Rabbul Alamin, forgive me. Ya Rab, never again let me disconnect. Ya Rab, let me read Quran constantly and deeper so that I can get closer and closer to you. Rabbul Alamin, let me be the true not just the Qari of Quran, not just the reader of the Quran, but the living model, what you want, what you have described, that how I should behave. Ya Rab, make me behave like that. Ya Rab, and wake me up to be the real person. This is the only opportunity I have. This is the only life that I have, few days. Ya Rab, let me begin my true life. Ya Rab, have mercy on me and all of us. Wake all of us up, Ya Rab, and let us be the grand society of living, breathing, proper Muslimun. Ya Rab, the way we are supposed to be. The grand, sweet, great people. Let us be those people. Ya Rab, accept my dua. Ya Rab, please, Ya Rab, allow all of us to be closer to you, inshallah. Rabbul Alameen. Astaghfiruka min kulli zambin wa atubu alayka. I have all the 47 years of terrible things. Ya Rab, I seek your forgiveness for that. You are the one who can clean them, Ya Rab. And I return to you. I return to you, accept me. Here I come. Ya Rab, clean me and accept me and forgive me, Ya Rab. Forgive me and let me develop in your shade. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To all those who are listening. Ya Rab, have mercy on everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.